Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. Collagen is the protein that glues our body together. The word collagen even comes from the Greek word for glue. Collagen gives strength, structure and elasticity to our skin, bones, muscles, tendons, cartilage, and blood vessels. It's found in most of the body's tissues, including tendons, ligaments, cartilage, connective tissues and bones. Collagen is made up of long chains of tightly bound amino acids. The collagen structure looks like a dense rope of fibres. It's this fibrous structure that makes it strong enough to support hard tissues like bone, and elastic tissues such as cartilage, ligaments and tendons. The body can make its own collagen from nutrients including protein, vitamin C and copper. You can find collagen in meat, bone broth and gelatine. So how is collagen related to joint pain and bone loss as we get older? Joint pain and loss of bone density are common, especially in older adults. Cartilage damage is a frequent cause of joint pain. Cartilage, the tough, shock-absorbing tissue which cushions bones inside your joints, is prone to wear and tear in older age. When the protective layer of cartilage is damaged, joints can be stiff, inflamed and painful. Bones naturally lose density in later life, especially in women following the menopause. To make matters worse, we stop producing collagen as rapidly as we get older. This is one of the main reasons for visible signs of aging, including skin wrinkles and sagging, as well as increased joint stiffness and loss of bone mass. As collagen is one of the main materials our joints and bones are made from, it might seem obvious that a little extra collagen can help maintain their health. However, it's not that straightforward, as collagen from foods isn't directly absorbed as collagen into our bodies. Collagen-rich foods are digested by the body as a protein and broken down into a range of different amino acids. From these amino acids, and with help from vitamins and minerals, your body produces its own collagen. This process is called collagen synthesis. To best absorb collagen when taken orally in the form of a capsule, powder or drink, collagen must be extracted from its original source, then broken down into shorter chains of amino acids, with molecules small enough for us to absorb through our gut. This process of dissolving the collagen into smaller molecules is known as hydrolization. So which collagen is best for joints? There are three main types of collagen present in the body. Cartilage is primarily made up of type 2 collagen, a tough variety made from animal cartilage, which gives cartilage the strength to support joints. Therefore, type 2 collagen is the type recommended to help with joint issues. While collagen can't repair or grow back lost cartilage, studies have shown improvement in flexibility following supplementation. One 2013 study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that 40 milligrams of non-hydrolyzed type 2 collagen daily led to improved knee joint extension and reduced discomfort during strenuous exercise. A separate 24-week study in the USA in 2008 found that joint discomfort in athletes was improved after they took a dietary supplement of hydrolyzed collagen. So, for joint health, choose a type 2 collagen supplement. So which collagen is best for bones? You'll know how vital calcium is for healthy bones, but collagen is essential too. As the main ingredient in bones, type 1 collagen is what gives bones their strength. A study in Germany published in the journal Nutrients reported that supplementation with hydrolyzed collagen significantly increased bone mineral density in the postmenopausal women who participated in the study. More research is needed, but this is promising news for adults who are concerned about their bone health. For bone health, choose a type 1 collagen supplement, which is hydrolyzed, to promote optimal absorption. In the description below, we will show you the best type 1 collagen for bones supplement and the best type 2 supplement for joints. Both these simple ingredients will give you your best chance of improved flexibility in your bones, tendons and joints. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 8 best supplements and vitamins to increase blood flow and circulation in feet, legs and heart. Thanks for watching and bye for now.